What if everything you've been told about dark spots is only part of the truth? Most people think hyperpigmentation is just about the sun, aging, or maybe even genetics. And yes, those things matter, but they don't explain why so many people try different treatments and still don't see lasting results. So instead of just trying to remove dark spots, we need to understand what's actually happening inside the skin. Because once you understand that, everything starts to make a lot more sense. Your skin gets its color from a pigment called melanin. This pigment is produced by specialized cells, and its job is actually to protect your skin. When your skin is exposed to certain types of stress, it produces more melanin as a defense mechanism. That's completely normal. But the problem starts when this process becomes uneven. Instead of producing pigment evenly across your skin, your body starts concentrating it in certain areas. That's when you begin to notice dark spots, patches, or uneven tone. Now here's something most people don't think about. One of the biggest triggers behind this imbalance is something called oxidative stress. To make this simple, imagine cutting an apple and leaving it out in the open. After a short time, it starts turning brown. That browning process is oxidation. A similar process happens in your skin every single day. Your skin is constantly exposed to environmental stress, things like pollution, UV exposure, poor diet, lack of sleep, and even emotional stress. All of these factors can increase oxidative stress inside your body. And when that stress builds up, your skin responds by producing more pigment in certain areas as a way to protect itself. So in a way, dark spots are not just a cosmetic issue, they're also a signal that your skin is under stress. This is why simply trying to erase the pigment doesn't always work long-term, because you're not addressing the root cause. Now let's talk about something that can help balance this process: antioxidants. Antioxidants are compounds that help neutralize oxidative stress. They protect your cells and support your skin's ability to repair itself. When your body has enough antioxidants, your skin is better equipped to stay balanced and maintain an even tone. But when your antioxidant levels are low, your skin becomes more vulnerable to damage, and that can lead to more noticeable pigmentation over time. This is why what you put into your body matters just as much as what you put on your skin. A diet that includes a variety of nutrients, especially vitamins like vitamin C and vitamin E, can help support your skin from within. Protein is also important because your body needs it to repair and rebuild tissues, and minerals like zinc play a role in maintaining overall skin health. All of these elements work together to support your skin's natural balance. Now let's talk about the sun, because this is where a lot of confusion comes in. You've probably heard that you should avoid the sun completely if you want to prevent dark spots, but the reality is more nuanced than that. Yes, too much sun exposure can worsen hyperpigmentation, especially if it leads to sunburn, but completely avoiding sunlight isn't necessarily the best approach either. Your body actually depends on sunlight for important processes, including the production of vitamin D. So instead of seeing the sun as something purely harmful, it's better to think in terms of balance. You want to avoid overexposure, protect your skin when necessary, but not completely eliminate sunlight from your life. Now, while internal support is essential, many people also want something simple they can apply directly to their skin. And that brings us to a gentle, natural option that can help improve the appearance of your skin over time. It's something very simple: plain, unsweetened yogurt. This might sound surprising, but there's a reason it works. Yogurt contains lactic acid, which is a mild exfoliant. What that means is it helps remove the outer layer of dead skin cells. These dead cells often contain excess pigment, which can make your skin look dull or uneven. By gently removing them, your skin can appear brighter and smoother. To use it, you simply apply a thin layer of plain yogurt to your face, leave it on for about 5 minutes, and then rinse it off with water. That's it. You can do this once or twice a week, depending on your skin type. The key here is that it's gentle. It's not about aggressively trying to strip your skin or force quick results. It's about supporting your skin in a gradual and natural way. Some people also like to add a small pinch of turmeric to the yogurt. Turmeric has antioxidant properties, which may provide an additional benefit, but it's completely optional, and if you do use it, it's important to use a very small amount. Another important thing to understand is that your skin naturally has a slightly acidic environment. This acidity is part of your skin's natural defense system. So using gentle, mildly acidic ingredients, like yogurt, can actually support your skin's balance rather than disrupt it. On the other hand, using harsh or overly aggressive treatments can sometimes damage that balance. And when your skin becomes irritated, it can actually trigger more pigmentation instead of less. This is why a lot of people feel stuck. They try stronger and stronger treatments expecting better results, but end up making the problem worse. That's why a different approach is often more effective. Instead of trying to fight your skin, focus on working with it. Support it from the inside with proper nutrition, protect it from excessive stress, and use gentle methods that help it function properly. Because at the end of the day, there's no instant solution for hyperpigmentation. Real improvement takes time. But when you focus on consistency, balance, and supporting your skin's natural processes, you can start to see real changes. And more importantly, those changes are much more likely to last.
So if you've been struggling with dark spots, take a step back and look at the bigger picture. Don't just focus on removing what you see on the surface. Start supporting what's happening underneath, because that's where the real transformation begins. And once your skin is in a healthier state overall, maintaining an even tone becomes much easier. So be patient, stay consistent, and focus on giving your skin what it actually needs. Over time, that approach can make a noticeable difference, not just in how your skin looks, but in how it feels as well.